Hey and welcome to this new tutorial of mastering Symfony 3. So in this tutorial we will customize the post, to create and edition post, and also the index or the list of the post. So I know you know how to do it, but let me just do it with you. It's the same thing as we did with the category. So first, stop the video, go and do it, and after that if you have some error, come back and check in the video, or after you do it, come back and see the result in the video. So let's start. And here, if we click on this create new post, we will have an error. I will tell you why. So here, and see the error, this category could not convert to string. So I will tell you how to solve this error. So if we go back to this index, it's in, you will find it in app resource, and after that post folder, and it's in the index. And first we see that it extends from the base HTML twig, and our backend master page, it's back HTML twig. So we will change it from base to back. Save, come here to the table, add for example class table. So class table. After that we will change completely this class table. We will show it as a thumbnail. So, and here in the bottom, as we did for the category, we will delete this create button from here and put it on the top of the table. So come back here, and he will have like a btn class. So I will just copy it from our category index. Here it is. So here, and I will change first href. So I will change it to that, and after that create new post and not category. So let's save, delete this, let's save. Now let's go and refresh. So let's refresh, and we will see that we will have like a sidebar, select, select in here. The branch clamp also we need to add it, so let's go. I will also copy it from the index, and after that edit it. So here it is. Go back, also here let's put it in the end. So, and here dashboard, list of posts or list of articles. Save, go back and refresh, and we will see our thumbnail. See? And now if I go and click on this create new post, we will see that we have an error. And why this error? Because of the relationship or the association between category and post, we say that it's miniature memory. So another table is created, and he don't know how to he can get to those category when we are in post. So to solve that problem, let's go to the form. He is in our bundle, so admin bundle, go to form, post type, and for the moment let's delete this category. So we will go back to it in the next video, I think, and I will explain it to you very well. So for the moment, just delete it. Now if we go back and refresh the page, we will this error will not be appeared anymore. So let's wait. Now we see that we don't have an error, but we can't see anything in here. And why is that? Because he don't extend from the same master page. So if we go back to app category, no, post new, we see that here he extends from base. We must change it to back, and here we have block body, and in our master page we have block content. So block content, let's save, and let's go now and refresh. So let's go refreshing, and now we will see the post. See here. So now let's go and customize this post the same way we did with the new category. So before, let's add quickly the brain cramp. So let's just go and copy it from here, copy and paste in here. So this will not be active anymore, and let's add another LE. So area dot active, and let's name it a new article or new post. Let's save. Let's go and refresh. So yeah, we forgot here a slash, I think. Yeah, slash. Here let's make a space, save. Now it will look good, and for this creation menu or this create button, we will do we will divide it to two parts, here and here. So here it will be, for example, title, description, body and slug, and here we will be a list of all the category and the date, and after that here we will have the create button. So to do that, let's go and have new division with a row class, and inside this new class another division, call mg, let's give it 8, and another one call mg, and let's give it 4. So let's generate, save. So let's have here this form start, copy it and paste it in here, and in this call I need another div of form control, form group. So form group, and inside it I will have my form. So here I will use form row and not form widget, because widget, as we know, it just input. So form row, and here I will associate it with the class, or with a etr, and let's give it a class of form control. So here form control, save. I will just go and refresh to see if it's working. So let's refresh. Yeah, I forgot here to name form dot title. So form dot title, save, and I think it's working since we have this one. So yeah, it's working. So now I will just go and copy and paste it. So this one for the form, for the title, this one for description, body and slug. So here description, here body, and here slug. Save. And in this other division or other part, you will have like the dot publish. So dot publish the name. So now let's go and refresh and see what we will have. So refresh, and we will see error. Body, we must type it right. Yeah, body. It's body, not page. Go refresh, and now I think it's it's look good, not the one or as before, but I think this part, I think it's too big, so I will just make it only, so just give it 7 for example. So 7.5, save, go back and refresh to see. Now I think now it's better. So now let's change this date, publication date, to not up. I don't like it like this, so if you like it just keep it, if you don't, let's go and see how we can change it. So let's go to the form, post form, and here in the date, here is date. Let's add some, I will first back to line so that you can see well. And here let's use a class, it's called .type class. .type class, and if I use it here, I need to use it also in here. And here let's use an array. So in this array widget, so widget, and let's give it simple text, single text, I think. So single text, and after that we need to give it like a format. So here format, and here we will specify the format. So year, month, and day. So let's save on the, let's not forget to use it in here. So use Symfony component form. So we'll just type it, component form, core, I think. Form extension, extension core, and after core type, and after type the date type. So date type. Now let's save. Now let's go back and refresh to see like if something changed for here, this input. So, and now I think this one is it's more nice than the one before, and here we can select in here the date that we want. So I think this is more it's more beautiful than the one before. Here if we want to like add or minus, here it's same also, or just go to this one and see or check our date. Now we need to have here like a select or list of category, and 2 button create and go back to list. Here let's initialize it with our current time. or the time of our machine. So here let's add another attribute. Let's call it, for example, data, and this is just a variable. You can name it whatever you want, and let's give it like date time. So date time, and it's a function, so we need just to save now. Let's go refresh to see if I will have the same date as yeah, it's the same date as my machine. So now let's go to add those two buttons. So let's go back to the new here. So let's go back to here, back to list and to create, and let's put them in the other half. So this and that one. So now we need to remove them from here. Also the same for this list, and let's give them class btn class. So class equal, so btn let's give the first success, and second let's give it, for example, primary, and let's see the output here. So now we have create and back to list. For me, I don't like them this way, so I like the one that we did here, or the style that we did here. See, I think this is more beautiful than the one before. So let's go and do the same in here. So let's go just to category, new category, and let's copy the division, yeah, this one. So let's just copy this and paste it in here. So paste, and here I will just this is create. Let's give it success. So success value submit create. So I will delete this, and here I need to change the path from this path to post category. Now let's refresh. Let's go and see. So if you like it this way, keep it this way. If you don't like it this way and you like it all the way better, so now you know what to do. So yeah, I think this it's more nice than before. I forget to delete this. So let's go back. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, this one. So delete, and here let's give it a little margin top. Let's put 2. Save, go back, refresh. Yeah, now I think with this this form it's more nicer than the one with 2 buttons in here. So now let's go and add path to those two, list of category and new category. So I will change that, or just copy that and go to our backend master page, to the site, or to the sidebar here, list category, do this, and here for the new category I will do the same. So at the bottom I will just copy that and go back in here and put it in here also. I will also copy this to bridge clamp. So now here it's saved, so I will remove it. Here index, yeah, we don't need it. and here in the new, here list of category. So here first I need to have an anchor, and in each ref in the path. So now if I save, go and refresh, now if I click here on list of article, yeah, it's working. If I click here on a new article, it needs to be working too. Yeah, it's working. Let's try with this one, list of article in here. It's working. So now we still have to add category here in the form. So we say that we will add category here and choose. So I will let that to the next video. So see you next.